I'm being cheap lah, okay? So anyway, okay, faceless marketing do not work. Okay, at least for me lah, okay? And I'm cheap, okay? I use all the... Okay, when you go to canva.com, right, you can search faceless marketing, faceless aesthetics, right? Faceless reels, if I'm not wrong, and then they will show you all the free things. I don't actually subscribe to Canva yet, okay? But I realized that it doesn't work on me, because when I use all the free images, right, or free reels from Canva, I got this warning from TikTok. This one, can you see? I got this warning from TikTok. Your video is not eligible for recommendation in the For You feed, blah, blah, blah. If you disagree with the content restriction, you can appeal. I'm like, ugh. So in conclusion, if you want to do faceless marketing, right, guys, for those of you who are still working 9 to 5, okay, maybe you do not want to review who you are on social media, I got a solution for you. You can get a friend, right, to take videos of you eating, okay? Just show the dishes lah, just show the food, you know, show you drink coffee but face the back, you know. Don't show things that you usually wear at work lah, you know, just find things, and maybe when you walk, right, just when you walk, take a video of how you walk as well. You can wear a hat if you want to, okay? Because I am so lazy to find all these reels that TikTok will not you know, send me warning, okay? And then when you go to Instagram, right, so if you're in Instagram and you're experiencing low views as well, so that means it's also they sense that these views are not original, so they will not give you that view as well. So I would advise you to actually, you know, really subscribe to content galleries, you know, or stock pictures, okay, like Pexia, or for me, I'm using Elevate or my content gallery. So if you all want the link, right, I can send you the link, okay? I'm an affiliate for this too, okay? Another way to increase traffic or increase views, right, to your channel, okay, I have been you know, like I've been working with a lot of beauty brands. They're all using my videos for advertisements, okay? So right now, TikTok encourages a lot of the sellers to use TikTok Shop business ads, right? So if you are selling things on TikTok, you better have some budget for video ads. When you swipe one video after another, you should see that TikTok for business, they were saying, if you're doing TikTok Shop, advertise with us, something like that, right? So as the app grow, of course, they need to increase their revenue. I'm not so sure whether TikTok still runs on trending sound, because I don't really track trending sounds anymore. To be frank, to me, right, I focus on creating good contents, okay? Contents that my viewers, my audience want to see, all right? So actually TikTok, right, gives you some tips already. And I don't know whether you all have seen the ads by TikTok on Creator Insights. So I'm going to show you how to find it. So you can go to the search bar, right? Just type on your search bar, Creator Search Insights, and then you click onto View, okay? For me, right, I'll look at the content gap. Can you see? Content gap. And then I'll see what kind of videos that my audience is looking for, like probably how to make money online for beginners, or they want to know how to become a digital marketing specialist, or they want to know how to become an entrepreneur, or to how to make the most of Creator Search Insights. So I will search all these things, and then if you're a small account, right, I will advise you to follow the right accounts that you are actually wanted to be, right? Like for me, I'm doing social media for this account, so I'm actually following a lot of social media accounts that's that I find that's fit for my niche, okay? Niche is very important, guys. So next round I'll talk about niche. Niche is really like your personality, your own branding, you know, it's really like about you, showing off your personality as well. So anyway, I'll touch on that in my next video. So in conclusion, faceless marketing do work, okay, but it's just that you need to subscribe to the images, okay? I actually have a affiliate link to my vanilla gallery, okay, or Elevate. Y'all can DM me for the link, okay? I'll send you the link. Y'all must subscribe, because if you are actually using free images, right, your reels, your views, right, will be interrupted. Just want to let you know in conclusion. So follow me for more social media hacks. See you soon in my next video. Bye.